In this video, we're going to call Calendly's V2 API from a Salesforce flow. More specifically, we're going to create this record-triggered flow that says whenever a lead is created, we want to find that lead owner's unique scheduling link. And if we find their Calendly scheduling link, then we'll send them an email so that they can schedule specifically with the lead owner. Now, to set this up, we're first going to need to install a package called Calendly Flow Action. I've already installed this here, but the link to install it will be included in the video description. Now, this is an unmanaged package, so all of these components are open source and can be customized. So after installing the package, the only remaining piece of setup will be to update the named credential included in the package. This is just going to allow your Salesforce organization to retrieve data from Calendly's API. So to do that, you'll just come in here, and the username you won't change, but for the password, what you'll do in Calendly, from your integrations tab, you'll go to API webhooks, and you'll just generate a personal access token. And you want to make sure that this token is created from a Calendly user who is an admin or organization owner. That way they have access to all of the scheduling links. So I'll come back here, paste the token there, click save, and that's all there is to the actual setup. Now, in the flow itself, after installing the package, you'll have access to this Calendly action to get event links. So if I go to Apex Action and type in Calendly, you'll see it right here. So what's going to happen here is in the email section, you're going to pass in the record owner's email address so that we can then output that specific scheduling link. So this email address here will be matched to the user's email address in Calendly. And if it's not found, you can see the scheduling link is null, so we'll just do nothing here. But perhaps you could update this to send more generic email. And in the case that we do find a link, we can email the lead that specific scheduling link for the lead owner. So let's go ahead and just debug this. And one thing I want to call out here is because we are making an external request to Calendly's API, you'll need to use this element, the Calendly element specifically, in the asynchronous path. So it'll need to be a scheduled flow or this run asynchronously to work. So now I'm going to just select a lead that I know I'm the lead owner for and click run. And in this Calendly invocable Apex class debugger, we can see that we sent a request to Calendly for a user with this email address, and in return, we got the correct Calendly scheduling link. So this will ensure now that the lead owner received the scheduling link, or sorry, the lead will receive the scheduling link for the correct owner. So that's all there is to this video. The element, of course, is completely customizable since it's unmanaged, but if you have any questions or any suggestions for any future videos related to Calendly and Salesforce, please add them in the comments. Thanks for watching.